Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco, 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 43 says, the following are features of constitutional democracy. Constitutional democracy, except dash. That is, the listed options are features or properties of constitutional democracy, except one. I want to talk of constitutional democracy. Constitutional democracy is refers to the the practice of democrat democratic principles that is in line with the constitution of the land, which this with, remember that democracy is majority rule. A, civil society. Option B, individual rights. C, one party structure. D, political participation. E, popular sovereignty. So in constitutional democracy, there's what we call civil rights. That is, the people as a whole, civil society, the people as a whole have their life to live. Then there is individual rights as well. Then in constitutional democracy, there is political participation, which is mass party system. Then in constitutional democracy, there is popular sovereignty, except one party structure. One party structure is the same thing as one political party system. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.